Hi everyone, welcome to Miracle Refrigeration. And we are the factory to design and manufacture the no welding connection products, including the copper steel complex ring, aluminum complex ring, single ring, and the matched ProPress manual ProPress tool and electronic ProPress tool. Also, you will need our special sealing liquid. Now I want to introduce our copper steel complex ring for you. Like this. It is commonly used for the central air conditioning insulation project and repair work, such as VRF and VRV system, and other applications for the connection for metal pipes like copper pipe and the stainless steel pipe. And you will see it consists of one sleeve, the two rings, and the two inner support. How to connect? Let me show you. This is a copper pipe. First, you should insert the inner support inside. It will support the copper pipe when you do the crimping to avoid the transformation. And secondly, put the ring on it. Then is the sleeve. Now you should put some sealing liquid here to fill the small scratches or the gaps between the sleeve and the copper pipe to ensure the good sealing function. Now you can use the ProPress tool to crimping it. And when it's done, you can do the same process on the right side and to connect the complex ring to the copper pipe. Then the connection is all finished. And I know there are some connection method will use rubber or plastic like gasket or ring inside. But I think Miracle ring will be better because the plastic and the rubber can be aging for some years running in the system. But with the Miracle sealing liquid, it can stand the working pressure for 5 to 7 MPa, and our blasting pressure can be reached 30 MPa. And it also stands the working temperature from -40 to 130 degree. And for our more than 10 years experience on the project, when the system's copper pipe is like blast or broken, but the connection is perfectly connected very well. But for the better sealing in your system, I suggest you can contact us with your application. Explain as more as possible for your project situation. Then our technical team can custom the most suitable complex ring for you. So contact us to design your no welding connection right now. Thanks for your time.